Hey there, travel lovers! Ever dreamed of living abroad and getting paid for it? Well, you're in luck. Some places around the world will actually pay you to move there. Let's dive into a few of the most exciting options. First up, Italy. Sardinia is offering up to €15,000, about $16,200 USD, to anyone willing to move to a village with fewer than 3,000 residents. Just make it your permanent home and use the money to spruce up a house. In Calabria, young folks aged 40 can snag up to €28,000 over 3 years. Start a business or fill a local job vacancy and you're good to go. Or head to Candela in southern Italy, where singles get €800, couples €1,200, and families can receive up to €2,000 just for moving in and buying a pre-1991 home. Next, let's hop over to Spain. The beautiful region of Panga in Asturias offers €3,000 to couples who relocate and stay for at least 5 years. Plus, you get an extra €3,000 for every child you bring or have there. Switzerland, anyone? The Alpine village of Albanen is offering 25,000 Swiss francs per adult and 10,000 francs per child to those under 45. Just buy a home worth at least 200,000 francs and stay for 10 years. Moving on to Croatia, the town of Legrad is practically giving away homes for 1 kuna, yes you heard that right, about 13 cents USD, plus up to 25,000 kuna, $3,500 USD, for renovations. How about the serene island of Antikythera in Greece? Families with at least 3 kids or skilled workers get €500 a month for 3 years, plus free housing and food. In Ireland, the Our Living Islands program offers up to €84,000 to refurbish homes on 30 offshore islands. It's your chance to live the coastal dream. Over in Japan, the Regional Revitalization Program offers up to 4.8 million yen, around $31,700 USD, to live and work in rural areas. Perfect for those wanting to dive into Japanese culture. Finally, Mauritius is offering 20,000 rupees, about $440 USD, to entrepreneurs with approved startup ideas. With a low cost of living and free healthcare, it's a fantastic opportunity. So, there you have it. If you're up for an adventure and want to make a difference, why not get paid to move? Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel tips. Catch you in the next one.